welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Of course, hit the notification that has the all written on it, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. So let's get started with what we'll be making today. Okay guys, so today we're going to make a cilantro green sauce, and these are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our green sauce. So here I have my cilantro. I'm going to use 2 seasoning peppers, 3 cloves of garlic. You really want to use 1 lime, or if you have a really big lime, you can use half of a lime. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lime, so I'm just going to use these pieces of lime that I have here. However, because I don't have enough lime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also add a little apple cider vinegar, because of the fact that I don't have a whole lime. We're going to use some salt, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, some black pepper, some olive oil. I'm also making my green sauce dairy free, so I'm going to be using some veganese. And in this version of my green sauce, I'm going to be using some Frank's hot sauce. I am going to do another version of this, so stay tuned for that as well. Okay, so let's get started.